Guys, welcome back, or welcome to today's video. Today we're trying Chemical Guys Tough Mudder. Let's get a nice close-up shot. Tough Mudder. So it's a truck, an ATV, heavy duty soap. It says off-road vehicle soap, removes heavy mud, dirt, and grime, prevents future mud from sticking. Well, this is my work truck, and it hasn't been washed for probably a year because I don't really care. But the reason why I'm referencing that is we'll wash. First we're gonna do is pressure wash it, get all the leaves and the dirt off. Then we'll spray it with foam using Chemical Guys foam cannon. And the reason why I'm using the foam cannon instead of the other $20 ones is I paid $100 for that thing. So I'm gonna, as for me being poor, I'm gonna get my use out of it. If you're gonna spend $100 on something, may as well use it, right? Or may as well just sell it, get your money, get half your money back, or donate it to a friend. So the reason why we're only focusing on the rear corner panel of the truck is it says it prevents mud from sticking. I got a couple trips up to the mountain. Now, without us anything bad about Chemical Guys and getting sued, pretty much can guarantee it's not gonna stop the mud from sticking. It's gonna pressure wash right off like it would any other vehicle or application. But with that being said, let's just see how well it washes, how well it foams. Let's see how it smells first, because that's always one thing I like to do. And it doesn't smell like anything. Just like the other soap I used in the last video, the Mr. Pink with the wax, it doesn't smell like. And I remember back in the day, like Mr. Pink, the grape, other flavors would smell hella good. Like the cherry suds would smell like a Dairy Queen dipped cone. But anyways, maybe they took the scents out because kids were drinking it. I don't know. Let's go ahead and get the foam cannon loaded up with 3 or 4 heavy squirts, and we'll go and foam. I'll see you when I'm ready. All right, guys, so I got the truck here rinsed off like it says in the instructions. I also added the soap into the bottle, and it's hard to see on camera, but when you put it in, it doesn't mix in with the water very well, right? Looks like when you put the squirts in, it looks like worms. Weird. So there is a chemical in there that doesn't really want to mix in with water very well, like maybe a waxy substance. That's what I'm assuming. But let's go ahead, and you can see here how it sticks in the bottom. So it needs to be mixed up. All right, here we go. Now it looks like a Mountain Dew. All right, let's go and spray the truck down. All right, it does a decent job with the suds. What I did on the gun was I narrowed the width of the spray pattern, so I went a little bit more narrow, which made the suds a little bit thicker. It's probably because I should really be using a higher gallon per minute pressure washer. Doing the finger test, it takes the dirt off pretty easily, and it feels pretty slick, like not just soapy, but kind of waxy at the same time. Still doesn't smell like anything. Let's go ahead and pressure wash off this soap and see how much dirt it takes off without agitation. I also did the wheel, guys. It doesn't claim that it's gonna keep the wheels clean, not at all. But I'm gonna do the wheels as well, just for testing purposes, right, with brake dust and whatnot. But it doesn't say on the bottle at all that it will keep a wheel clean. So just letting you know. Okay, after just doing a spray and rinse, it didn't really remove any dirt on the truck, and I didn't expect it to because it's been on there for so long. It's been on there for a long time. So let's go ahead, redo it, use the mitt, and then that will be the proper way to do it per the directions and then we'll call it a video. Maybe call it a video. We might try one other product. Alright guys, after that half-ass wash, because my hands are freezing cold and it's stormy as hell here in Oregon, the soap did as good as it can do, especially when you get a truck like this that's honestly abused, and I know that. So the soap did good. It's not waxed at all, so we're gonna see just how well this soap repels some dirt, leaves and whatnot. And if it does great, I'll come back and I'll do a video, or I'll do a recap on my next one of my videos in the future. Well, alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Links for all the product that I use is in the description below. It's a affiliate link on Amazon, so if you click it, I make a couple pennies. I am going to be putting out a lot more videos moving forward, at least till the end of the year. But for all my old subscribers, thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.